Hey everyone, before the video starts, I would like to announce that tkviper goods are now available at merch.tkviper.com. This thing just launched, so we're having a launch sale. Check the items out and please support the channel. Thank you. What's up guys, this is tkviper. It's been a while since I've done a review on fast foods. So today we are looking at the new Whopper in Japan. It is the jalapeno sauce Whopper. This time I brought my own extra toppings and scorpion sauce. I like how nicely they wrap this thing, very neatly. And it is a big burger, quite hefty. I didn't get anything with it, just the burger itself. It is 640 yen, so that's about $6 US. So here's the Whopper, very big size buns. I ordered the all heavy option, which gives you more vegetables. So 2 slices of tomatoes, some onions, and the green sauce is the jalapeno sauce. Unlike their angry Whopper, there are no real jalapeno peppers inside, just the sauce. And here's the flame broiled 100% beef patty on top of the bottom bun, which does not have any additional sauces. And now let's try to take a bite of this. Kind of hard to hold this with one hand and film at this angle so you can see the Whopper. It's a stacked burger. I think it's about 5 inches in height. Gonna have to really open up wide to take a bite. Looks very good. Nice and hot. I got this 2 minutes ago. I'm eating right outside the Burger King, unlike usually where I take it home and it gets kind of cold. So it is very good. I'm very surprised that even without jalapeno peppers, this is actually pretty spicy. I think the sauce is actually spicier than jalapenos. With that said, I'm still going to add more jalapenos to make this hotter. It's just not hot enough for me. In general, jalapenos are not very spicy. Gotta have at least some habanero sauce. I think I got like 10 or 12 pieces of jalapeno here. So now here's the real hot stuff. This is the Tabasco scorpion sauce. It's supposed to be 10 times hotter than the regular Tabasco sauce, and that's about 5 times hotter than their habanero sauce. So we're just gonna put a few dabs here. Actually, one dab is pretty spicy already, so that's a lot of scorpion sauce. It's made from the scorpion pepper, which is the 5th hottest pepper in the world, or used to be. I don't know for sure now. Just gonna eat that jalapeno. All right, let's take a bite at this hot sauce. I'm gonna bite the spiciest area. You can see the sauce right there. That's gonna warm up your stomach. Yep, much better, much hotter. And now that's a real angry Whopper. So I've taken already, I think, 4 bites, and there's still a lot left. I'm gonna try to finish it in front of you guys, but maybe I won't. Let's see how many bites we get. That's the 5th one. It's been a while since I had a Whopper. I definitely like this Whopper here. Another bite. So these are pretty big bites too. I'm surprised it took that many bites to finish. Maybe I just haven't eaten it for a long time. It feels like this burger is pretty big compared to other Whoppers. Maybe it's just me. 7th bite. Eighth bite. I think I stopped here. So this thing's gonna take about 10 or 12 bites to finish. It's a pretty big burger, very hefty. I highly recommend it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment. Like the video, subscribe, check out my channels, tkviper, tkviper tech, and Japan Rainwalker, tkviper, and I'll catch you next time.